Hi guys, Danielle here, owner and founder of Fit Butters, here with another great Fit Butters recipe. I'm super excited about this one. It is half-baked air fryer cookies, kitchen sink flavored, with Fit Butters, the salted caramel pretzel flavor to bring that sweet and salty aspect in. But we also add more pretzels in for another crunch. It's great. But my favorite thing about air fryer recipes is there's no preheating of the oven, super easy to clean up. But on top of that, it just cooks things differently. So I'm super excited to show you. The outside gets that nice golden brown crisp, but the inside, especially if you cook it on that like 4-minute side, is ooey gooey doughy, and it's so good. So I cannot wait to show you. Here's the recipe.